Welcome to the Investors Trading Academy talking glossary of financial terms and events. Our word of the day is University of Michigan Consumer Sentiment. The University of Michigan's Consumer Sentiment Index Thomson Reuters, or University of Michigan Surveys of Consumers, is a consumer confidence index published monthly by the University of Michigan and Thomson Reuters. It is known simply as the University of Michigan Consumer Index. The University of Michigan Consumer Index is one of the most significant indicators of American consumers' opinion of the economy. The index surveys the consumer's opinion on such issues as business condition, personal finances, and purchasing power. The consumer confidence measures were devised in the late 1940s by Professor George Katona of the University of Michigan. They have now developed into an ongoing nationally representative survey based on telephonic household interviews. The index was developed from these interviews. This survey samples hundreds of consumers by phone in order to produce this report. In the report, there is a headline figure that is calculated by determining the quantitative difference between the percent of unfavorable responses versus favorable responses. Consumer confidence can reflect the level of consumer spending in the market. The preliminary report, which includes about 60% of total survey results, is released around the 10th of each month. A final report for the prior month is released on the 1st of the month. The index is becoming more and more useful for investors because it gives a snapshot of whether consumers feel like spending money. For example, an increase in consumer spending may reflect a higher consumer confidence, while a reduced number of consumer spending may reflect lower consumer confidence.